Hi everyone, once again welcome back to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to enable autosave in Microsoft Word and how to get back your crashed or unsaved project back. Okay, so I'm going to Microsoft Word. Okay, to enable autosave, what you have to do, simply go to File and click on Options. Then under Save, go to Save Auto Recovery Information Every. Okay, here what you have to do, it is as 10 minutes. Okay, but it is a long time. You can increase or decrease it. So I'm just going to give it as 1 minute. Okay, if you're writing something and your file has been crashed, if it is in 1 minute, then it will be auto saved in your computer. So click on OK. You can choose whatever you want, the timing, but I always prefer the minimum possible. Okay, now what you have to do, if you have lost any file, I'm going to show you from a blank document. Going to Word again. Okay, then now come to Open, and at the bottom you will be able to find Recover Unsaved Documents. Now if there is any item which is not saved or crashed, then you'll be able to find those. Okay, I have two files. I'm just going to see the last one, which was just crashed or exited without saving. So clicking there and open. And as you could see that the table that I just did not save it came because I have just chosen the minimum time. Okay, and again if I go to File, Open, Recover Unsaved Documents, and choose the first one, it will show me. I'm just going to watch. Okay, the writings, the umlaut, German words I have typed few days back, but I could not save it. Okay, and there's a way of enabling autosave in your computer and get crashed or unsaved files back easily. And I hope you really found this video useful and you learned something new. If you really did so, please consider liking the video, share your experience, your suggestions, your problems on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT and inspire us to work for you. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.